Hi guys, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, we saw how to add the customer details. In this class, I am going to teach how to search the customer details, enter the customer ID. Right. First step, what I am going to do is here. This is my project Airline. Here, select the project add customer.java. Right click, copy, and select the package, default package. This one. Right click and paste it, this one, right? Paste, refactor, copy. Okay, the same file I am going to get the copy of that. This one I am going to change the thing as here, search customer, right? That's the stuff we have to do, right? Now you refactor the same form, you have get a copy of here. Okay, very simple. If you design again by again, it take too much of time to complete the project. The same form you can get the copy here. If you double click on this here, this the same copy will be display here. Now here I no need this one, so you have to remove this one, select this one and delete. Instead of the label here, I am going to put one text field for search the customer details. Right here. Okay, now here I need one button for search. Here, drag on the button here, right? This one, right click, edit. I'm going to change the name as find. This one, right click, edit text, backspace. You have to remove the text. After that, select this text box, right click, change variable. I'm going to give the name of the text box is txt cust id. Press enter key. Right. Now here, when the customer enter the ID here, customer, if you want to search the customer ID, if you enter the ID and click a find button, all the customer details will be displayed on below here in this form, right, along with the image, right? So select the button, right click, event, action perform, right? Here I am going to write the search code. First I am going to write the variable first, string variable. I am going to write string id equal, what's the text box, you enter the id txt cust id, that's the name I gave, dot getText. This one should getText, right? When the customer type on the id on this text box, it is assigned to the variable id, right? After that, what I am going to do is here, I am going to write the class. We no need to write, we already written here. This one we have to copy, this one connection we have to copy, control C to copy, control V to paste here, right? Here we have to surround with try and catch. This one control X to cut off, control V to paste here, right? Here it asks to create the catch here, create, error go away, right? This form I copied from the add customer.java page. So here the customer, the details will be available here. This one should be the insert record. Okay, so here the codes will be available. We have to existing code, you have to modify it. Okay, that's the only thing you have to do, right? If you write from the beginning, it's very difficult to complete the project, right? Very simple. After that, what I'm going to do is here, we have to do the another stuff is we have to find the customer details, right? So here I am going to write the prepare statement, pst equal con dot prepare statement. This one, prepare statement. Here we have to write a selected query. You have to write, so select all from customer where id equal question mark. The stuff you have to write. Okay, prepare statement, right? I am going to search the id, right? After that, we have to write as a pst dot set string 1 dot id. One mean only one record here. What is the id you are searching? Here, this is the text box, you enter the id. When the person click find, it is assigned to the variable this variable you are calling here. so it goes here, right? The relevant customer details will be filling. After that, here I'm going to write a result set rspst dot execute query. This one, execute query, right? Here we have the result set. We have to write result set. Right. What's error? Right. After that, what I'm going to do is here I'm going to if condition rs dot next equal false. False mean record is not available. Here we have to display the message as option pan dot show message this. Here we have to write as record not found. Else here we have to write as string first name f name. First name simply I have write f name. Here have to rs dot get string. Here we have to database column name. What is the name of the database column name? You have to provide here, right? Customer details first name, this one, right? First name. You have to go to structure. Here this is the table structure, the first name, right? You have to give the first name. Right? Simple first name you have to give here, right? After that, what I'm going to do is here second one we have to fill it. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. L name mean last name. Here you have to write last name. But you wrote here the same thing you have to give here, okay? Right here. Otherwise, if you write here different, it won't display the data, okay? But you are giving the name here, the same name you have to give here, then only the record will be displayed, right? After that, another field is NIC and passport. NIC, this one should be passport variable, passport. This one should be column NIC passport. Right. After that, Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. What are the another stuff we have to? Another stuff is address and DOB. Right. This one should be address. After that, DOB. DOB means here. After that, what I am going to do is here we have to pass into the this J calendar box. Okay, so how to pass in this J calendar? So here you have to write as a date. You have to write date. Here we have to write a date variable, date one. Right, you have to write like this, date one. Right. Here we have to write as new simple date format. Here we have to write as dot pass. Here you have to pass this one, this variable you have to pass here, right? When the date is displayed on the J calendar, this is the format, right? So here you have to add the import Java utility, right? Date class you have to add like this. That's the stuff you have to write. What is the error here? DOB. Sorry. Again, you have to add catch, right? That's why the error will be displayed. You have to add the catch, right? This error go away, right? Now, after that, what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to add the another thing is DOB gender and contact. Gender and contact. So you have to write a string gender. Right? Gender, we have options. So here we have to what I'm going to write is here. You have to first get the gender, right? Like this, same thing. Control C to copy, Control V to paste it here. Gender, get the gender, right? After that, we have to do the validation part. So here, if gender means this variable, you have to get here gender. We have to get the validation part. If gender dot equals, if it is female, if it is a female, what happens is here, this one, right? A female, you have to write like this. Radio button 1 dot set selected, right here we have to set selected false. R1 selected false mean this button which name is R1. If the one here, this one R1, if the person is selected as female, if it is result is come as female, this one should be false. And R2 dot selected set selected true. That's the thing you have to write. Else it's display. Control C, copy this one. Control V to paste here. Here we have to true. This one should be false. Right. That's the thing we have to write. After that, what I'm going to do is here, these variables we have to display into our relevant text boxes. That's the thing must. Okay. One more thing available. So after that, contact and photo. Contact we have to write as same thing. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be contact. Here also contact. Here Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right. That's the stuff you have to write. Photo we have to give the things. Okay. Here first I'm going to set into the relevant text box where you going to display these values. This text box first display on this value. What is the name of this text box? TXT first name. Right. Here we have to set it here. Right. TXT first name dot first name dot setx. Here we have to write as a this variable f name dot tree. Right, same thing. After that, Control C to copy, Control V to paste it here. Here we have to change yes txt last name, second one, this one L name, this variable. After that, nic, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be txt nic. This one should be nic. Right. After that, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be passport, txt passport. Here we have to write as passport. After that, address, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Txt address. This one should be address. After that, Control C to copy this one, Control V to paste here. Here what I'm going to do is here this one we don't need it. This one contact. right? So here to write Control C to copy this one, Control C to copy this one. You have to select here contact. This stuff we have to write. After that, finally image. So sorry, this one txt contact right here. Radio button we already set here. Okay, we no need to put write it here. To get the data of the gender, we will be give the validation like this, and date also we have to set like this. Here get the data, we have to set into this DOB, this here, right? The stuff we have to put here. We have to set here, we have to put it here, date. Here we have to write as what is the name of this one, txt dob, right? Here we have to get the value here, date we have to get the value dob dot, so write as dot set date, so write as this one, call it to this variable here, right? What is the date? This the data is coming here, and it's set into the relevant format and pass into this relevant variable here. This variable you are calling particular data date will be displayed. After we have to display the image, so here the final stuff we have to do the things. Here we have to write the blog blob, and we have to create the variable this one equal, we have to get the image to display to that picture box. So get blob, this is the format. Here we have to write as this one as a photo. What is the name here? Photo. Here this one, photo, right? This one you have to display, so the relevant format you have to give here, and here we have to give the column, right? Now here blob you have to import this one, right? After that, what I'm going to do is here I have to add the additional line here. Its data is coming as a byte. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one display as a byte. You have to write like this. This is a byte. Sorry, it's a byte. Here we have to change this one as a blob. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right. After that, here we have to give the name of the text box. Right click this one. What is the name of this one? TXT photo. So you have to give here as Control V to paste here. Sorry, TXT photo. Same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right. That's the thing we have to write. Okay. Here, what is the database column name available in the photo? If you give here, it pass into the relevant variable. What is the photo here? Okay. After that, it convert as a byte format here. Byte length, byte format, because the image is display as a byte format, right? After that, set this one as a convert into image icon like this. After that, it's give the width and height of the photos like this. After that, set into this frame. That's the thing we have here, step by step, right? Very simple one. If I write this one line by line, it take too much of time to complete the project. That's why I have just copy and paste it, right? You have to practice this one, this very professional one, how to display the image, right? That's the only thing we have to do. Finally, we have to call the image here. You have to call the image here. How to call? TXT photo, that's a text box, dot set icon. Here we have to write this one as a new image. This one we have to give as this one, new image. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Now error go away. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Everything is perfect. Here this one we no needed. If it is anything error, you are just this one you are copy from that add customer page. You have to comment it if anything error, right? Now here I just execute the code. What's the error here? Again error will be displayed. Here as this one we have to comment it, right? After that we have to run the code, right? Now here customer details. Here I am going to add another new customer details. I am to add Ravi Jairam NIC number, passport ID, address. We have to give the address as you that US in India. Date of birth, you have to give something. Here we have to write as mail. Here we have to write as a contact number, something. Right. Here we have to click. You have to browse the image. Open it. Click add button. Record registration reserved. Now here go to the search. I didn't give the link here. Search link. That's a problem. Go here. Search link. Double click on this one. Same code. Control C to copy. Add how to give the add customer link. The same link you Control C to copy. Control V to paste here. You have to change this one as a search customer. So you have to write search customer. This one. Search customer. Same thing. Control C to copy. Control V to paste here. Right. This one we have to search this variable. You have to give like this. This object we have to paste right like this. Right. Now let's execute the program and check. Working fine. Now you have to search the ID 001. Here it's displaying successfully. Now here 2, it's displaying successfully. It's working fine. Right. Now it's working fine. Now here what I'm going to do is here add instead of the add I'm going to change this one as a AD update. Right. Let me see how to do the task. Right. I hope you understood the video so far. In my next tutorial I'll be teach how to update the record. Thank you for watching.